Pyspark Production Support. Are you looking for an exciting opportunity in Pyspark Production Support? People Prime Worldwide, India's largest IT staffing company, is looking for a talented Pyspark Production Support role. Key skills: AWS, Pyspark, SQL, Production Support. Experience required: hands-on experience in monitoring Spark jobs and keeping the system health in check. 24/7. Strong analytical and troubleshooting abilities, using tools like Dynatrace to resolve issues. Solid experience in SQL, with knowledge of Postgres as an added advantage. Python skills for automation scripts? That's a bonus. Job location: Bangalore, Pune. Work experience: 5 to 8 years. Education qualification: any graduation. Work mode: work from office. Employment type: full-time. CTC: 15 lakh Indian rupees to 19 lakhs yearly. Notice period: immediate to 30 days. These positions are for our esteemed clients of People Prime Worldwide. Check out the description for more details and apply now. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest IT job opportunities with People Prime Jobs.